Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for engineering semester exams in 1 month. Start by understanding the scope of your exams. Identify your strongest and weakest subjects to prioritize your efforts effectively. A well-structured study plan is your roadmap to success, ensuring you cover all essential material. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to your most challenging topics. Gather all your resources, including lecture notes and previous year's questions, to streamline your preparation. Active learning is crucial for retention. Instead of passively reading, actively recall information to strengthen your memory. Practice solving a wide variety of problems, aiming for at least 5 to 10 problems per major topic. Explaining concepts to a friend or even to yourself helps clarify your thoughts and reveals any areas where your understanding might be weak. Managing your time wisely is key to avoiding burnout. The Pomodoro technique, with its 25-minute study intervals and 5-minute breaks, can significantly boost your focus. After 4 such cycles, take a longer break of about 30 minutes to recharge. Remember, adequate sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours each night, is not a luxury but a necessity for optimal brain function and memory retention. In the final week, focus on reviewing everything you've learned. Revisit key formulas and concepts and work through a few more practice problems. Avoid the temptation to learn new material right before the exam. Instead, consolidate your existing knowledge. On exam day, ensure you are well rested and have all your essential tools, like a scientific calculator and extra pens, ready to go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.